How to change your TikTok password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change your TikTok account's password, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to change our TikTok account's password, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. You don't need to remember your current password to reset your password on TikTok. All you have to do is first of all just go to the profile icon here. Once you tap on the profile icon and come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right and then go to settings and privacy. Once you're under settings and privacy, go to the option called account, and once you're under account, here you'll find the option called password. Just tap on it. Once you're under the password tab, it will ask you to set a new password by first of all verifying the code that was sent. So when you verify the code, it will automatically take you to a page where you can simply enter the new password. So right over here, just make sure to enter the new password that you want to use, and then after you've done so, just tap on the next button to save the changes. And this is how you can change the TikTok account's password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.